Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be flying around these trees. Let's go! Welcome back to the channel. As I said in the intro, we're going to be flying around these trees. I'm assuming they're just normal pine trees, but they look really old. I'm also assuming because they're right on the edge of this hill, there's a reason why that they look all like scraggly and old and cool. I think they look pretty cool. So this is the first flight since I got my drone back. So whilst I chat, I'm going to get it out. So I got my drone back because, as you're aware, or as you might not be aware, I crashed it last year, like May last year, in this video up here somewhere. And it wasn't my fault, honestly. Look in the video, you'll see it's not my fault. So yeah, I finally, before my DJI refresh ran out, I finally got it sent away. I'm just going to change this ND filter. So yeah, the SD card didn't work, and it does now, which is sick because it means I can shoot 4K again. So that is good. Annoyingly, during that actual crash, I dropped my ND16 filter, which is really annoying. So I'm gonna have to put ND8 on now, because someone chopping some wood. ND32 is too strong, and the sun probably got about 2 hours of sunlight left. So we're going to get into some golden hour stuff soon, but we'll see. This is good. I'm happy. Let's put the filter back and get everything out. So yeah, I was going to mention I got a new drone. I thought they were just going to change a few bits because the frame was broke and a bit of the plastic on front was broke, but I'm pretty sure it's a whole new unit because I can't see any dirt or grass or any mush on it whatsoever, which is mega because I had to rebind it as well, and it's got a different serial number. So yeah, first flight. Yeah, this is a cool place. I came here a couple of years ago, and I came here to go sledging down the hill that's over there. I'll point it out now. Going down the hill, and actually steeper than I thought. And at the bottom of the hill, which I'll show you now, there's like a big divot, like a big ditch bit. And whilst my kids were at the top of the hill, I went down, and my sledge got stuck on this divot and catapulted me. Oh, ND filter's come off already. Brilliant. Catapulted me and did a full somersault. It was absolutely wild. Now, where the hell was that ND filter gone? There it is. Oh, that's annoying. Don't want this ND filter coming off already. Ugh. So yeah, catapulted me flying. So there we go. Wasn't the best of starts. So ND filter. I've mentioned ND filter a couple of times on this my channel before, and I have the Freewell ND filters. Great filters, to be fair. Really good. But yeah, enough waffling. I'm going to get the drone up and do some precision flying around these what do you call it, trees, because they're cool. I think they look cool, and I thought it'd be a beautiful day before it rains tomorrow and the rest of the week. And whilst I've got some days off of work, I thought I would get out and have a gander. So let's get on it. Turn my hat backwards as per usual. Turn everything on. Pardon me. Right. We are in. There's some water down there, but there's tons of trees. Now, I am where I am because I've got clear line of sight down that way and line of sight just down there. So probably not best to be right next to the trees I'm going to be flying next to, but I might have a gander at that water down there, but I doubt it, just because the amount of trees that's down there, as you can see, it's ridiculous. So yeah, we'll see. I can see in the distance as well. You probably won't be able to see it, but there's some sort of hall down there, which I've got a feeling it's Western Park. I can't see, but I might show you after this if I remember to do some B-roll. But it looks sick. But anyway, let's get this bad boy in the air. Right, let's take it off of 100 ISO for a start. Still pretty bright. It's annoying because I don't have my ND16. We'll see. We'll see. What I couldn't do earlier. Manual 100. 4K 60. Let's go. Let's go for 56. White balance. I want stabilization off. Wide. It's got ultra wide, but I think I've got to have it on wide to hang on a minute. Got to have it on wide so that the gyro data is, what do you call it, logged, so I can use gyro flow afterwards. But I am stoked that I can use 4K. Anyway, let's get on it. I really need to get a new foam insert for these goggles because it's terrible. I need to push it slightly away from my face. Anyway, alright, fairly nervous to be honest because I haven't flown this for like 6 weeks, but anyway. Let's go. Oh, beauty though. Right, let's move it out of the way of the trees. Start recording. Get it in. Oh, damn it. Right, let's land it a minute. Let's land it. Bring it back over. So, for those that don't know, the aircraft did not roll over. For those that don't know, in the settings, I'm going to have to go in and settings, controller, remote control. You have to go into the settings and you have to physically put it on manual mode because you have to change some of the stuff within the controller underneath here to make sure that the throttle stays still. I do have a video on it. If I can find it, I should be able to find it. It's up here somewhere, and I explain what you have to do with the controller. But yeah, just make sure I'm still recording and you can still hear me. That'd be awkward. Yeah, level's good. So, yeah, basically, couldn't put it into manual. You have to change it in here so that you've got like 100% confirmation that you put it in manual. Because between manual and automatic, it is a big difference. Anyway, let's go. All right, let's record. Move it over here somewhere. Let's go. All right, what are we on? We are on 23 degree on the gimbal. Oh, it looks so good down here. Let's try and get used to it again now. Balance and act. It's fairly windy, you know. So, oh, these birds look cool. Yeah, let's bring it around here. Back to the trees. You can see the trees on the left, they look beaut. And I am in the middle on those trees. This is the ditch that I mentioned that I hit with my sledge. And it sent me flying. Literally, big old somersault. So that's cool. See how low we can go. Oh, that looks cool. Right, let's go up. Head towards these trees where I am. Whew. I can feel the wind already. Let's try and find this gap, shall we? Nice. The wind is cheeky. Nice. Surprised I haven't seen any rabbits yet, to be honest. Give it time. Let's change the gimbal up. So it's a bit more steady. So it won't go as fast. Won't go as fast, but a bit more, in theory anyway, a bit more steady. But the wind is blowing. I'm still at 9 degrees on the gimbal, so should still be going forward, but let's go through some gaps. Nice. Do not want to get us stuck up on these trees. No siree. Woo. Let's come around so that the sun is facing the trees. Let's go this way, look. Come on. Beauty. Doesn't help that let's put it back. Let's put it back, shall we? Put it back to about 25 degrees. Whew. Wind is cheeky. There's the water down there. I'm not going down there. No way. Looks cool though. Looks very cool. Beauty. The sunlight is not terribly helpful, I'm not gonna lie. Whew. Right. Let's go down the bottom of the field. I'm going to follow this, but I'm going to follow it going the other way, see how fast we can go. I'm going to put some more. Let's just hold it here a sec. Put some, hang on a minute. I have to stop recording, that's annoying. Put some ISO in the mix. Made it a bit flatter now, which is not ideal. Alright. Back in. Back in. Let's go. Let's pick up that divot, wherever it was. Here it is. Let's try and chase this lot. Let's go. That was quite cool. This water's cool, but can't see any of the trees. Beauty. Alright, let's come back. Don't want to, definitely don't really want to terrorise any of those sheep. Return to home promptly. of time left, mate. Loads of time. See this gap. I see the gap. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ooh, 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 ooh. Cheeky gap. Very cheeky gap. Alright, 20% battery left. Might try my luck in another gap. Come on. Let's go. Some cheeky gaps. The wind is crazy. Return to home. Let's go. Whew. Wow, I'm going to stop recording. Oh man. Just bring it back in. Oh man. So, first flight down. Oh man. Sorry, I wasn't talking too much. It's not a bad thing for you guys. However, yeah, that was pretty. Let me make sure that's off. That was pretty sketchy. I haven't done the simulator or anything for like 5-6 weeks maybe. I've flown my Mavic, but that's a different kettle of fish. But I'll do this in a minute. That was nerve-wracking, and the bloody light changing as well. Savage. But yeah, is what it is. But I enjoyed it. Standard FPV adrenaline rush. The light doesn't really know what it's doing. I think it's just going behind some hazy clouds, which is a bit annoying. You got, let's have a look, sunset. Okay, sunset's in an hour. That'll be why. Roger. Well, I'm happy with this. Hope you enjoyed this one. Like, subscribe, all of those cool things. Yeah, sorry I didn't talk much in this one, but I'm a bit rusty. And it's been, yeah, like I said, 6 weeks since I've flown it. So, plenty more to come, hopefully. So, yeah, without further ado, thanks very much for watching, and I shall catch you in the next one.